Welcome, Dr. Martin here again with a short micro lecture video on phishing and scams. So we're going to talk about phishing and online scams. This is one of the most important skills you can learn because mistakes here can affect your accounts and your personal information. All right, now phishing is when someone tries to trick you into giving up your personal information. This can be done via texts, emails, and phone calls. We're going to look at an email real quick and look at some things to watch out for. Now, you should look for urgent language. Sometimes they even use the word urgent. Update your account now. You can look for a fake sender. A lot of times it'll say support at, Golden Bank 1.account.management.io or .com or .biz, but it won't be the actual email address that bank uses. Also look for scary language like your account has been compromised. You must act immediately. And they'll even put in some links. Now these links are fake. If you click on them, they'll bring you to a page that looks almost exactly, almost exactly like the real page, but the URL will be different. So if you get anything like this, you have any questions at all, if something feels off, don't click on it. If you get an email that's from Amazon, for example, and it says someone has broken into your account or we need verification of a recent MacBook purchase of $1,299. Click here to verify, right? Never click from the email. If you want to check it out, then you go to a browser like Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and you go to www.amazon.com. Log in, see if there's any crazy things happening, check your orders, but never log in from an email or a text message. Even if you think the message is valid, my advice is to always go to the source. Same with texts, okay? No one is ever gonna call you and ask for sensitive information unless you've asked them for a callback. And even then, you can take down their name, their employee number, and ask for which website that they're talking to you about, and log in from there. Sometimes someone will call and say, "Hey, we've had a problem. I just need to text you a code." And when that code shows up, tell me that code. Sometimes that can be dangerous. So only do that when you know you've gone to the bank's website, you've called them, then they're using that text to verify your identity, but not when someone calls you, okay? So if anything looks fake or off, don't click. Now I want you to check this out. This is a live interactive map of all the crazy hacking things that are going on right now in the world, and you can check out how many hacks are going on. Let's click this open here. I know some of this window got in the way here and I just don't know how to get that off, but hopefully you can see that map in the background and you can see all of these crazy hack attacks. Okay, and you can click on these to dismiss some of the different types of attacks. Let me see if I can refresh this page here and get rid of that screen. There we go. Oh, here we can see. Here's the US. This is Russia. Okay. So there's all these different types of attacks, and here's a number of them that's going on right now. Look at that. And this is at CyberMap. Now, also, this is a good page to let you see what a secure website looks like. Okay, let me go back over to, Australia's a pretty safe place, it looks like. But man, a lot of Russian and European stuff going on, and here's stuff going to and coming from the United States. And right now it's like, 11 o'clock at night, and this stuff is still going on. And, it's going on a lot in the world where people are awake. Okay, well, let me show you something here. Right next to this web address, there's this little bar, and you can open it up. You can say, and this is Chrome telling you the connection is secured. You've allowed pop-ups. Then you can look at your security data. You can look at different reviews about this website. Okay, so the goal here isn't to, memorize anything. It's to kind of get a feel for what people are trying to do. If you don't think it's accurate, don't click. Don't click the link, whether it's a text or an email. And if a phone call feels fishy, then you hang up, hang up, and then go to the website, call the phone number off of the website, and ask him, hey, is this real? Someone called me and said this. Okay, so that's it for this micro lecture. See you in a few minutes. Watch the next one.